Open new spreadsheet. Highlight URL. Copy URL. Now click on Gravitate Chrome extension. Click on pencil icon. Click on URL area. Paste new spreadsheet URL. Click on Save Sheet ID. Next, visit property you want to save. Then click on Gravitate tab to open Actions menu. Then click on Save Property. Next up, click on the next property you want to save. Click on Save Property. Now let's verify all the data transferred properly to the spreadsheet. Click on the Gravitate Chrome extension. Now click on Generate Update Survey. Now click on Copy URL so we can verify the report. Click on New tab. Custom welcome section for your client that includes your brand. Map automatically generated with all the properties in your spreadsheet. Click on Mix toggle to see a side-by-side view. Following that, click on Map area to activate the map. After that, click on Satellite to change the map view. All photos transfer. Click on the left and right arrows to see all photos. Click on right arrow to see the next photo.